Hello, class. Today, we'll practice the 12 single vowel sounds in English. Listen first, then repeat after me. 1. Sound E, like in fleece. Say C. Team. Minimal pair, beat, bit. Repeat. 2. Sound I, like in kit. Say sit. Women. Minimal pair, live, leave. Repeat. 3. Sound I, like in dress. Say bed. Minimal pair, men, man. Repeat. 4. Sound A, like in trap. Say cat. Bad. Minimal pair, bad, bed. Repeat. 5. Sound Ah, like in palm. Say car. Start. Minimal pair, cart, cat. Repeat. 6. Sound British lot. Say hot. Minimal pair, cut, caught. Repeat. 7. Sound or, like in thought. Say law. Contrast, caught, coat. Repeat. 8. Sound like in foot. Say put. Good. Minimal pair, pull, pool. Repeat. 9. Sound oo, like in goose. Say food, blue. Minimal pair, fool, full. Repeat. 10. Sound like in strut. Say cut, love. Minimal pair, cut, cut. Repeat. 11. Sound like in nurse. Say bird, word. Contrast with the weak sound teacher. Repeat. 12. Sound the schwa, very short and weak. Say about, teacher. Repeat. Great work. Practice this lesson again until the rhythm feels natural.